And it goes a little something like.
Hi everyone, welcome back. My name is John Dave M. Nario, a BSIT 1 Block 8 student with the code of C086. For this video, I'll be reacting to the song Walang Natira by Glock 9. So kanina guys is napanood ko na yung song na ginawa ni Glock 9 na ang title is Walang Natira. So ang gagawin ko na lang ngayon is sasabihin ko na lang yung mga thoughts ko about sa video ni Sir Glock 9. So the song na Walang Natira by Glock 9 is more than just a music. It's a powerful reflection of the realities in our societies today. As we go through this reaction, I will be connecting the message of the song to what we learn in our contemporary world subject. Habang pinakikinggan ko ang kanta, ramdam na ramdam ko yung bigat ng mensahe. Walang Natira talks about poverty, corruption, inequality, and social injustice. Glock 9 describes how ordinary people work hard, pero parang wala pa ring natitira sa kanila. This reflects the reality in the contemporary world, where economic inequality is very visible. Mayaman lalo pang yumayaman, habang ang mahihirap ay lalong nahihirapan. In our contemporary world subject, we discuss globalization and how it affects countries differently. Sa kanta, makikita natin na kahit na may development at modern technology, marami pa ring Pilipino ang napag-iiwanan. The song also highlights corruption, where resources meant for the people and end up being wasted or stolen, leaving nothing for those who truly need help. These songs strongly connects to issues like social stratification, governance, and human rights. In today's world, maraming bansang may ganitong problema, not just the Philippines. Walang natira remind us that progress is meaningless if it's not inclusive. Kung may progreso pero piling tao lang ang nakikinabang, then society is still broken. The song challenged listeners to be aware of social realities instead of being passive observers. My realization is that music can be a powerful tool for social awareness. Glock 9 uses his platform to give voice to people who are often ignored. Napagtanto ko rin na bilang isang kabataan, hindi sapat na alam lang natin ang problema. We must understand why this problem exists and how they continue in the modern world. Silence and indifference only make things worse. My suggestion is for the youth is to stay informed and socially aware. We should use social media responsibly, not just for entertainment, but also to spread awareness about social issues. For leaders and institutions, transparency and accountability are very important. Sa simpleng paraan, we can help by supporting communities' programs, speaking up against injustice, and voting wisely when the time comes. Overall, Walang Natira is a reminder that change starts with awareness and action. This song is not just for listening, it's a call to reflect and to act. Thank you for watching, and let's continue being socially aware citizens in today's contemporary world. Bye-bye!